Thank you very much. I am Surjapata Bain, Kavatapur Secondary High School, Parakunla. I think you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that we are facing a serious problem, COVID-19. This problem is increasing day by day, and we are very tremble with this problem. We are facing many problems for this. We cannot continue our studies properly. We are heading towards law, but if we try heart and soul to solve this problem, we must solve this effectively. First, I will discuss your English topics, second part, grammar part, and writing part. Today is the 3rd April 2021. I am discussing a very important topics of writing part, which is selected for your SSC exam. I will discuss how to write grammar, how to write a paragraph. Most of the students try to memorize the paragraph part, but they do not know, mostly do not know how to write a paragraph with his own skill and knowledge. For example, today I will discuss a paragraph such as load shedding. Load shedding is a common affair in our country. First we think what is load shedding and what is the reason of load shedding and who are the sufferers of load shedding, what is the main cause of load shedding, and if load shedding occurs in our country, how we solve it, and which is very essential and which is very effective situation to solve this problem, or who are the most sufferers for load shedding. If we know this situation, this present situation, we will solve this problem effectively when we will write free handwriting with our own skill. So, you know, load shedding is a common affair in our country, and what is the main cause of load shedding? If we say what is the main cause of load shedding, then we will understand the misuse of electricity and illegal connection of electricity and many other reasons. When occurs this situation, then load shedding occurs in our country. And if we say what is the main cause of load shedding, then we can tell this answer: the misuse of electricity and misuse of illegal connection is main cause of load shedding. Another, how we solve this problem. If we say how we solve this problem, we think we will solve this problem effectively by adopting some measures, such as we should not use electricity, we should not misuse electricity, we should not use this with our own situation and other way. People awareness is very essential for this respect, and we also know that Bangladesh is an developed country now, so we will try to misuse this electricity, and we cannot use illegal connection for this. So we now all know that a paragraph, when we start to write a paragraph, then first we think what is it, and what is the main cause of it, and when we write any paragraph in English, then we solve the other situations among in this. Thank you very much, and I will discuss another class, grammar part, and you will also know that grammar is very important class, and you will write a home task. I will discuss another week grammar class, right from verbs, which is selected for the SST exam 2021 in the number 4. Thank you very much. I wish you successful.